Yeah, apparently the real fireworks are this way. These are fake. This is the real deal.
I always like to review.
So what are you keeping up with? In Ron
That guy's scared of the fireworks. He's running away as fast.
Really fast. That is a fast